once again, our Honorable Prime Minister is leading from the front. He has always been leading from the front as far as the corona situation. He's saying that it is getting actioned out in a matter of 2 weeks. We must remember, he's not starting the process only now. I think he was crystal clear in what he spoke, to the point. No, he's not just, I don't call him a karma yogi for nothing. He truly feels for the people, feels with the people of this country, which is why
Hello and welcome to Madhuvali Talks, an initiative of Tom Medias. Today we have Ms. Madhuvali with us. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our show.
Namaste. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am. And what about you?
Very well, thank you.
Our Prime Minister has addressed the nation, and so there were huge expectations from him. And we all know that it is regarding the vaccination only. How you saw that speech actually?
I think once again, our Honorable Prime Minister is leading from the front. He has always been leading from the front as far as the corona situation is concerned. But yet again, he has led from the front and he has made vaccination free for all from 18 years and above, and it is going to be implemented in a matter of 2 weeks. He has said it's going to roll out on June 21st, which is also International Yoga Day. And he has very categorically said that the central government has completely taken back the charge of rolling out the vaccination program and has made sure that there is absolutely no expenditure for the state governments on this particular point and subject. He has clearly said that you don't have to spend anything to get the people in your state vaccinated. We are taking care of everything. There was this huge 75-25 uproar that was going on, but all that has been addressed by our Prime Minister yesterday. And he has clearly said that those who want to go to a private hospital to vaccinate themselves, even for them, it is only a service charge of 150 rupees.
Okay.
Right? And for everybody else who's getting it done through government facilities, it is going to be free of cost.
Okay.
And he has lifted the burden from the state governments and said, don't worry, we are back to the system that we followed in January. We are getting back to that system. We will take care of even that 25% that we had actually given to all of you, because we found that you were facing a lot of difficulties while rolling out the vaccination program the past month. So don't worry, the central government knows how to handle this. We will handle it. We will take care of all the states. We will take care of the vaccination program so that there is absolutely no problem. There is no communication gap, no more bickering, no more cribbing. Everything will be done at a smooth and streamlined pace and fashion. And he's saying that it is getting actioned out in a matter of 2 weeks. We must remember, he's not starting the process only now. I think he was crystal clear in what he spoke, to the point, and as always, leading this country from the front to meet with the impending third wave that is being spoken about by everybody.
Okay, ma'am. Prime Minister also mentioned that we produce the vaccine so that we can able to afford for our people. If other countries are producing, we'll be able to get the vaccines at the last. So can we take this situation as we are like we also exported our vaccines to other countries also. So we are being told as vaccine giver to the whole countries. So can we, our nation has developed as well. So as he mentioned, we are capable of producing those vaccines like that. So can we take
No, very
our
true. He has already mentioned it yesterday in his speech. He has given a big encomium and saluted the scientists of this country who've
exactly
worked in record time to produce the 2 vaccines that are in use at the moment. And
Mhm.
he also mentioned, if you notice in the speech, that 2 more are being tested, the final stage of testing for 2 more such are also in the pipeline. So I think
exactly
we are truly, he used the word Atmanirbhar also, if you remember. So we are
exactly
truly becoming self-sufficient, not just for our country. We have already supplied to so many of the neighboring countries who needed the vaccine uh, at that juncture, if you remember. So I think it's a phenomenal task, and you must always remember that this is a country with a humongous population, huge population. So vaccinating every day. In fact, there was a WhatsApp forward. It was very interesting to see a WhatsApp forward where somebody said, you're actually vaccinating. When you vaccinate one little region in India, it's like vaccinating another country in Europe. It's on par
exactly
with that. So
exactly
it's not easy. Now, if a country in Europe gets vaccinated, for them, that's the size. They say we are vaccinated as a country. Look at India. That's just one region in India, population wise. So it is not easy at all. And we are being one of the fastest as far as the vaccination process is also concerned. We must take that also into account. So
exactly
I think he's doing this country's scientists need to be, to me, need to be worshipped.
okay
Here, I think science and God comes together as far as I'm concerned, because I'm a
okay
strong believer of God.
okay okay ma'am,
They are
we
our
are
gods now.
yeah, we are seeing that ICMR is working on one issue, and we are seeing that DRDO has produced that 2 DG, and we are also going to get our nasal vaccine also. So, how is the Prime Minister leading from the front, as you said? So, how do you see
Well,
this?
if you look at it, he was mentioning in his speech about a nasal spray that is going to come, with regards vaccinating children, especially. Remember, he
Okay,
mentioned
okay,
this also, because the third wave, as we all understand, is apparently going to be affecting children the most,
okay,
which is a
okay,
very
okay.
alarming point. You can't just ignore it. So he
Exactly,
has again
exactly.
led from the front, and he's, the scientists and all the experts and our health workers and officials are working tirelessly to make sure that you create a nasal spray, so it becomes much easier to vaccinate the children. He mentioned about this as well in the speech. So I think it is a humongous task that is ahead of him, and he's leading. I mean, it's a war. This is not a easy joke, and it's easy to just sit and make a comment on Twitter, but he's in the middle of everything, and it's his responsibility to take care of 130 crore people in this country. And if you notice, the first part of his speech was grieving for the lost souls who lost their lives in the second wave. Now, I think that is the absolute humanness of this man. He's not just, I don't call him a karma yogi for nothing. He truly feels for the people, feels with the people of this country, which is why
Okay.
when he speaks, you feel like an elder from your family is actually talking to you. You don't look at him as a prime minister at that point in time. You look at him like an elder from the family, actually giving you a very sound piece of advice.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Ma'am, how do you see the announcement of PM Garib Kalyan Yojana which is extended up to Diwali, which will benefit the 80 crore families?
Absolutely. I think it is phenomenal that the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana is going to be extended up to Diwali, because you must understand we had another situation of a lockdown, which means it's not just about people below the poverty line, but many people who don't have jobs. You have to look at all of that. So when rations are being provided for so many of them until Diwali, gives them a reassurance, because it's not easy to restart. We've been restarting for the past 2 years. 2020 was also a
Exactly.
restart. 2021 up to now has also been a restart. We've really not found our place yet. Everywhere, everybody is struggling. And the Prime Minister understands that, which is why he is doing what he is doing. So I think it's a phenomenal move, which will shut many mouths, which will open many mouths to be fed, but will shut many mouths that are unnecessarily talking against our Honorable Prime Minister.
Okay, ma'am. So we planned this actually to take it in a positive manner, but to add this one question actually. So Rahul Gandhi said that when it is free for all, why it is charged in the private hospitals? So he raised a question like that. What is your comment on that, ma'am?
I have nothing to comment about Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his comments, but I'd really like to ask him to first check. There are some cases that are blatantly seen in states where the Congress is ruling, where they've bought the vaccine at a particular price and then they're trying to sell it at twice or thrice the rate. I think this has come out in the open. So I think it's better he checks that and corrects that before he talks about the 150 rupees service charge that is being put in private hospitals. I think Mr. Gandhi needs to check that before he talks about our Prime Minister.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time, ma'am. So it's been a wonderful interviewing you. So thank you so much, ma'am. So
I must mention here, Dharma, before you like, share, and subscribe, that yesterday I watched a very interesting clip about a particular village in Jammu and Kashmir, where the entire village has been vaccinated, the entire population. They have gone on foot, trekked up to that particular place, and they have made sure, and this was on Republic yesterday, and it was so overwhelming to see that the entire village has cooperated and they've all been vaccinated. So it's now being called the J&K model. If a village in Jammu and Kashmir can do this, I think all of us can definitely go forward and make sure that, we avoid the wastage of vaccine, which is a criminal waste. And we make sure that, we encourage everybody to go get vaccinated, because vaccination is the only way we're going to be able to fight this, especially the third wave. So on that note, please stay safe and follow all protocols and get vaccinated. And I'd strongly recommend for all of you to Google and look up this village in Jammu and Kashmir where the whole village has gotten vaccinated also.
Sure. So that was a great insight, ma'am. So thank you for those insights actually. So thank you so much, ma'am. We'll meet in yet another good show. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaste. Stay safe. Bharat Mata ki Jai.